In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code to the header and footer in Bigcommerce. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to carefully follow each step to ensure everything is done correctly. Let's dive right in. First, we need to navigate to Bigcommerce, open your preferred web browser, and enter the Bigcommerce website URL into the address bar. Once you're there, the next step is to locate the login button on the web page. Click on it to be directed to the login screen. You will need to enter your registered email address and password. Ensure that these credentials are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. After you've typed in your details, click on the login button to access your Bigcommerce account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Bigcommerce homepage. From here, look for the storefront option, which you should see in the menu. Click on storefront and this will take you to another page. Now let's move on to the next step where you'll click on themes. You'll likely find this option in the same menu. Scrolling down a bit will display your active themes, and it's time to take action on these themes. Locate the three dots on your themes banner and give them a click. This will open up a menu with several options. We want to select Edit Theme Files. After clicking, you'll likely need to confirm this action by once again clicking Edit Theme Files. It's just a simple repeat to ensure you really want to dive into editing those theme files. Now we're inside. The next step is to find and click on Templates. This is where you'll find all the structural elements of your website's theme. Navigate your way to Layout. Once there, you should see base.html, which is the main file that contains references to the site's header and footer. Take a moment to find the header section within this file. This is where you want to paste your custom code. Make sure that you are careful when choosing the precise spot in this section to avoid overwriting any existing code. Do the same for the footer section, paste the corresponding code carefully. After you've added the necessary codes to both the header and footer sections, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save Files option and click it. This ensures that all your added code is stored and will be reflected on your site. And there you have it. Following these steps precisely will help you successfully add code to your Bigcommerce website's header and footer, enhancing its functionalities and design. Remember, any modifications made within the theme should be done with care to prevent any disruptions to your website's layout or performance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you with your Bigcommerce endeavors.